Hello guys, today we are going to teach subject fundamental of plant protection and agriculture microbiology. Today's subject teaching entomology. Today we are going to teach subject entomology. Topic name is reproductive system. First topic name is female reproductive system in lecture number 18. Reproductive system. We today study the female reproductive system. First one is most insects have a high reproductive rates. With a short generation time, they evolve faster and can adjust to environmental changes more rapidly than other slower breeding animals. Then insect they evolve faster and can adjust environmental changes more rapidly. Today first study the female reproductive system. Then diagram of female reproductive system. Then although there are many forms of reproductive organs in insect, there remains a basic design and function from each reproductive part. Insect reproductive parts get basic functions and different designs. These individual parts may vary in shape, corners, position, accessory, gland attachments, and number, testicular and ovarian glands with different insect group. Insect have many different groups with their organs or body parts. Then study the female reproductive system. The female insect main reproductive functions is to produce eggs, including the eggs protective coating, and to store the male spermatozoa until egg fertilization is ready. Eggs fertilization is the main factor in the female reproductive system. The female reproductive organs includes pair ovaries, which empty their eggs oocytes via the calyx into lateral oviducts joining to form the common oviduct. The opening gynophore of the common oviduct is concealed in a cavity called as genital chamber, and this serves as a complementary pouch, bursa completrix. Then mating. In the mating processes, the complementary pouch and the genital chamber are the important in the female. The external opening to this is vulva. Vulva are the in the female insect reproductive organs reproductive system. The vulva is externally opening. Often in insect, the vulva is narrow. The structure of vulva is narrow, and the genital chamber becomes pouch or tube-like. The genital chamber define the genital chamber. The opening of the common oviduct is connected in a cavity called as genital chamber, and the vulva is narrow, and genital chamber becomes a pouch or tube-like structure is called as vagina. The general structure of male reproductive system. Some diagram get names: oviral ligaments, ovaries, lateral oviduct, spermatheca, accessory gland, vagina, then common oviduct. It is a diagram of female reproductive system of insect. Then related to the vagina is a sac-like structure. The spermatheca, where spermatozoa are stored ready for eggs fertilization. A secretory gland nourishes the contained spermatozoa in the vagina. Eggs development is mostly completed by the insect adult stage and is controlled by hormones that control the initial stage of oogenesis and yolk disposition. In female reproductive system, it get adult stage, then is controlled by hormones and eggs development is completed. In generally, the insect get life stages in metamorphosis, complete metamorphosis and incomplete metamorphosis. Complete metamorphosis get 4 stages: eggs, larva, pupa, adult. And incomplete metamorphosis get 3 stages: eggs, nymph and adult. Most insects are oviparous where the young hatch after the egg have been laid. Insect sexual reproduction starts with sperm entry that stimulate oogenesis, meiosis occurs, and then eggs moves down the genital tract. Accessory gland of the female secrete an adhesive substance to attach eggs to an object, and then they also supply material that provides the eggs with a protective coating. In female reproductive system, the locations of part is fill up in the diagram. Then last one is oviposition takes place via the female ovipositor. Thanks for today's watching video. Thank you very much.